It's time to measure your success in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where state-of-the-art and easy-to-use metrology products and services come to life in the hands of renowned pioneers, such as those at LOTRIČ Meroslovje, a leading provider of metrology solutions for top Slovene and foreign producers of measurement, pharmaceutical and laboratory equipment. Today, LOTRIČ Meroslovje is a company with 30 years of experience, connecting more than 170 experts in 8 countries. Together, they are applying accuracy to standards of measurement, which has been calibrated by the highest hierarchical levels of metrology.
We are proud to be the driving force of progress in the field of metrology. As a result, companies with the widest possible range of requirements entrust us with their metrology needs, allowing them to focus on their core activities. Our measurements are conducted by qualified experts using high-tech equipment at our accredited laboratories or on-site. We also cooperate with 16 research institutes and universities to ensure that only the best service is provided to our clients.
From a local family-owned business to a winner of various recognitions and quality-proving awards, LOTRIČ Meroslovje currently conducts 5 million measurements per year for over 22,000 companies from 49 countries. With smart solutions such as the Exactum and Tramis measuring systems, which reduce pollution and automate work processes in controlled conditions, LOTRIČ Meroslovje proves greatness is born from big ideas and even bigger actions. And by being green, creative and smart, it is an example of the broad-minded Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Let your ideas grow beyond measure. In Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.